Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Theresa and I am so excited to introduce you to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge in Disney World Hollywood Studios. Today, you're going to be taking a walk around all of the sights and sounds, flavors and food of a galaxy far, far away alongside Cam. So come on in, the world awaits.
This is it, boys.
Hey everybody, it's Cam. We're gonna catch a buzz with your cuz, but today we're doing something pretty special. Welcome to Galaxy's Edge. Pro tip, don't look at me the first time you watch this. Just take a look at the spectacular detail that Disney has put into their Star Wars land known as Galaxy's Edge. Why are we here today? We're here because Oktoberfest has been canceled. We needed to do something spectacular for you guys. So I called Bob Chapek, Disney CEO. Said, Bob, they canceled Oktoberfest. Get these people out. I need unmitigated access to Galaxy's Edge so I can show my subscribers how cool it is. And you can see it. The second time you watch it, you can pay attention to me. But look at all of that detail. And you'll also see that you can turn your phone into a data pad so that you can use it to interact with things inside of the land. You can take on jobs. I think I'm like a corporal with the Resistance. I also take a couple of jobs from the Empire just so I stay, on the both sides of the game. And there we go. We have a communications tower. You can actually use your pad to turn that on and get intercept signals. And look at this, a beautiful Imperial shuttle, low mileage. Sometimes we have generals or colonels come down. There's Kylo Ren has been sighted coming out of there. Oh great, it's those guys. Oh, or the stormtroopers. It's a good thing they couldn't hit the broadside of a barn with those blasters. We have nothing to worry about. Oh, here they go, enforcing the law. Look, they're shaking down the public again. And of course now we're just going to shuffle right into Olga's Cantina because we're on the VIP list. That's why. No lines, right in. Let's go have a seat. We are out today at Olga's Cantina in Disney Hollywood Studios. We got caught trying out some really great stuff. Watch this. The first thing we did is we needed to hydrate. So we went for the Carbon Freeze. Now this is a no buzz drink, right? Alcohol free. The backbone of it is actually Powerade Lemon Lime. Rehydrate. There's also wild strawberry, blueberry, and these green apple pearls on top, and you can see that it fizzes. This is gonna run you $7.50. There's also Jabba Juice. Really super cool. You can see those blueberry popping pearls on top. This is based on orange juice, simply orange. There's also pineapple, kiwi, and cantaloupe in there as well. Very balanced. It's very, very unique. And it looks like a high-end mixed drink or a cocktail. So if you're not drinking, nobody would know. Same with this Hyperdrive, right? The Punch It. Also based on Powerade. No buzz. We're still rehydrating. I think Theresa likes it. Mountain Berry Blast Powerade, white cranberry juice, blackberry puree, and Sprite. I know Paul Gaming likes Sprite. There's Sprite in there, Paul. You would love this drink. $6, not too bad. Now, let's move to the buzz time. Gamorrean Ale. This is by our friends at New Belgium Brewing. We just did the triple. We loved it. I opened the bottle with cap with my teeth. $13.25. This is like stadium pricing. It's a Yankee Stadium. Red ale, toasted caramel, touch of character with hops up front and a touch of grapefruit to kind of finish it off, a little bitterness. I think it's a 22 on the IBU scale. So it's not too much. Actually, pretty perfect balance. The Bespin Fizz, another great, look at that thing popping right in your face. You know, it actually took me by surprise. And then they charged me 18 bucks for it, so I thought that was pretty shocking. But Bacardi Superior Rum, Yuzu Puree, pomegranate, white cranberry juice, and that cloud swirl takes it out of here. Just unbelievable drink, and people will ask you what you're drinking. And more importantly, they may ask you what you're eating. This is the Happabore Sampler. It says it's cured in roasted meats, cheese, and pork cracklings from around the galaxy, but once you really dig in there, you can see that sweep through the middle. That's actually hummus. There's chorizo, there's mozzarella, burrata, there's black salt on top of that. There's sweet flatbreads, which I absolutely loved, right? And that's in a cracker form. The pork rinds, of course. There's some pickled veggies, and it just really complemented the beer and the other non-alcoholic drinks really, really well. Happabore Sampler is only available at lunch and dinner time. So they do have breakfast offerings. We weren't here for that today, but that's gonna take you down 21 bucks. So it's a little pricey, but for a charcuterie style plate with some pretty unique stuff and theming, I think it was worth it. And then that takes us to Batuu Bits. The menu says it's a crispy galaxy snack with spicy tremola dip. And we thought to ourselves, I don't know if we'll like this. Let's try it. Let's order it. Let's see what it is. What it turned out to be were spicy rice paper wafer, which is pretty cool. There were some lotus chips on there if you haven't had them. Very nice flavor. Salty veggie chips and a sweet chocolate meringue, which was by far my favorite. And that was $11 to sample the Batuu Bits. And again, when these things are coming in and out, it's just such an immersive experience in there that people start asking, you know, what are you drinking? What are you eating? Oh, that's cool. Is that good? Even with the social distancing, people kind of, you know, ask from across, and then you'd see them ordering the same things. And, you know, we did the same, right? We saw a couple of cool drinks and some foods that came out, and we're like, we need that. So they give you a very, very robust menu of unique flavors. And we didn't expect anything else. Pretty good value, I think, so that you're not just consuming a massive amount of alcohol when you're already dehydrated with nothing to eat. I mean, maybe that's your plan. If that's your plan, it's all good. They got you covered. And then this is kind of more of a dessert type item, Olga's Obsession. No alcohol, but you can get this with alcohol in it. We ordered one without, and it's backboned with like a Minute Maid lemonade. There's a cotton candy flavor in there. Blueberry popping pearls, which you can see there, which look pretty cool. And a dried fruit mixture. And this thing is gonna be $7.50. You know, overall, not a bad deal for theme park. And this is like really elevated for anything that you'd assume that you would get at any sort of theme park, regardless of who owns it. I will tell you that this made the experience something very, very unique, and it makes us want to go back. Why? Because there's more stuff on the menu that we haven't ordered yet, and we definitely want to try some more things. So even though Olga's Obsession didn't have any booze in it, I think overall we had a great day. Check out the Falcon at night. There is the transport. I mean, just it's really, really hard to describe. Taking yourself and putting yourself through an entire day in a Star Wars theme, even if you don't like Star Wars, it is an amazing experience. The food, the drink, and I'm sorry, I said $6, $7. When you're there, it's credits. Everything is done on Galaxy credits, which are dollars. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. You see that thing over there? And there's a bell next to it. Get that one also. And make sure you watch this video again tomorrow and pay attention to me. I hope that you watched all of the wonderful scenery today, but tomorrow and the day after, you can do whatever you want. Just make sure you watch the video, share it, and we'll see you next week when we're back from Galaxy's Edge. Or maybe we'll stay, who knows.